It's all you. Party car.
That is awesome. I've never been. Oh, that is great. Oh.
Shopping season Paris. Everything 24 carats. Take a look in the mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it me? Is it you? Say it loud. You never dream, baby. Shopping the Caraoke. Anything you want. I mean, like, what does your house look like?
Do I have karaoke in my shower, are you asking?
Yes, like, you know how to entertain. Look at this whole car experience. Got the vibe.
Well, let me ask you this. Have you ever heard of Justin Bieber?
Yes.
I'm not just an Uber.
Really? Yeah, you're really not.
I'm your party Uber.
You
There you go.
definitely are.
Oh my goodness.
See, my motto is more fun in the car than the bar, so how am I doing so far?
That's
Five
great.
stars if I can give you more, so it's good, but I'll make sure I can. It's quite an experience.
Now, if I drove for the competition, they'd call me Taylor Lift.
And you got jokes.
Yeah, I'm like this all night.
Y'all look at this karaoke car. This is the flyest Uber ride that I've ever been in. We got the lights going. We got the mic. I ain't never seen nothing like this before.
I have never.
Where y'all from?
Maryland.
Oh, wow. I get a lot of folks from Maryland.
Yeah, this is my. Well, I think it's your first time in Nashville.
Ah, well, welcome to Music City.
Yeah.
Where we do things a little bit
There
different.
you go. Exactly.
I mean, even our McDonald's has a radio station inside it.
Really?
Yep, the only one in the entire company.
Wow.
Wow.
So, of course, as an Uber, I've got to turn it up, right?
There you go. Oh, that is great. I've never ever seen anything like that. That is like the best thing you could have ever installed in a car. Like, oh, don't stop believing. I actually know every word to this song. This is great. I need to like buy a Ford and have all this installed in there just so I can like start.
Well, you should definitely
Market
do a
it.
commercial. Yeah.
That is great.
You're amazing. You are genius.
Thank you so much. This was like the best night.